How to stream PS5 on Discord. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to stream PS5 on Discord. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, download and install the PS Remote Play app for your device. After that, simply turn on your PS5 and click on the cogwheel icon, settings on the home page. After that, navigate to system and then remote play and then enable remote play. Then go back to the system menu. After that, navigate to power saving and then features available in this rest mode. Then connect your controller to your device. After that, on your device, launch remote play and select sign in to PSN. Then here select PS5. Then go to the Discord voice chat that you want to stream into. After that, select share your screen in the bottom left. Then simply select the remote play application and press go live. After that, you will successfully stream your PS5 on your Discord. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.